Food and beverage service. In this video we will talk about the following. Sequence of service. Types of service. Mise en place versus mise en scene. Rules to be observed while laying a table. Breakfast service. Coffee shop service. Service of sequence for dinner. Room service. Butler service. Cafeteria service. Sequence of service. Preparing for service includes taking reservations and mise en place. Welcoming guests. Taking food and beverage orders. Service of food and beverage. Clearing. Billing. Dishwashing. Clearing and setting up for next service. Types of service. Table service, service to a customer at a laid cover. Assisted service, combination of self-service and table service, buffet. Self-service, customer helps themselves, cafeterias. Single-point service, service is from a single point and can be consumed on or off premises. For example, takeaways, vending machines. In situ, specialized, service to customers in areas not primarily designed for service. For example, airlines, home delivery, meeting rooms, etc. Before continuing further, we request you to please subscribe our YouTube channel, The Hotelier HR. Your subscription helps to make more such videos in more wonderful manner. Table service. It is a service to a customer at a laid cover. Silver, English service, platter to plate. Pre-plated, American, pre-portioned. Butler, French, individual presentation. Russian service, table is laid with food for guests to help themselves. Garde, food served from a side trolley and includes carving, cooking and flambé. French service, service à la Française. Louis XIV -1680. 3 courses cooked mostly tableside. Cooked from a garde. Advantages. Elegant, showcases food, high check average. Disadvantages. Need highly trained staff, high labor costs, capital investment in cart, fewer turns of tables, fewer tables in dining room. Platter service or Russian service. Right side for plates and left side for food counterclockwise. Serving fork and spoon from the silver platter. Used in banquets. Faster than French service. Fully cooked, hot food served at the table quickly. Advantages. Elegant, faster than French service. Disadvantages. Need trained staff, capital investment in silver platters. Butler service. Similar to Russian service. Guests serve themselves. Offered from left side for food, counterclockwise. Serving fork and spoon used by guest. Advantages. Personalized service, guests chose portion size. Disadvantages. Space, capital investment in silver platters, poor portion control, time consuming. English and family service. All food cooked in kitchen. Plates are preset and food is carved and put on plate by host, then guests serve themselves side dishes. Family style food is put on table and guests serve themselves. Advantages. Casual dining, guests control portions, less service skill needed. Disadvantages. Less formal, may run out of food, no presentation. American service, plate service. All food cooked and plated in kitchen. Serve from right with right hand. Result of limited staff. Advantages. Casual dining, portion control, less service skill needed. Disadvantages. Less personal, guests cannot choose portion. Buffet service. Guest goes to the food which is displayed. Simple, fast and economical with large groups. Set price. Advantages. Display food, speed, economics, less service skill needed. Disadvantages. Food safety, capital investment. Mise en place versus mise en scène. Mise en place literally means putting in place. It is a term which is commonly used for putting it in proper place with proper anticipation and planning. It involves the cleaning and polishing of all the items and stacking them neatly in the correct places. Mise en scène means getting the surrounding ready for service. For example, making sure that the AC is at the correct temperature, the carpets have been vacuumed, the potted plants are in proper shape, etc. Rules to be observed while laying a table. Get the tables in position and see that it is not wobbling. Check that the tables and chairs are clean. Table to be covered with a baize or felt cloth. The dining table should be 30 inches in height. The tablecloth should be placed squarely and centered. Fall should be 9 inches from the edge. Crumpled, soiled and stained tablecloths should never be used. Place a non-fragrant centerpiece, bud vase. Well-polished, clean cutlery to be used. Each cover should be well balanced. The dimensions are 22-24 length and 15-18 wide. Place only the required cutlery from outside to inside towards the plate as per courses. Knives and spoons are placed on the right, while forks are placed on the left. Cutlery for appetizers may be placed on the cover or brought on a lined plate. While placing or picking cutlery, only the hand should be used. Water goblet is placed on the tip of the knife. Butter dish is placed on the center right. Napkins are placed on the center of the cover. All cutlery and plates should be placed half an inch from the edge of the table. The cover should be directly opposite each other. Menu holders and cruet sets should be placed in the center of the table. Monograms should be at 12 o'clock position. The cutting edge of knives should be facing the left. If the menu is too long, the cover should be laid up to the 5th course and remaining cutleries should be at the sideboard. At any given time, not more than 3 knives, 3 forks to be laid out. The dessert cutlery is placed on the top. Wine glasses are kept near the water goblet. The side plate with a knife should be on the left-hand side of the cover. Thank you for subscribing us. If you didn't, then please subscribe us now and press the bell icon for latest videos. Breakfast service. Continental breakfast. English or full breakfast. American breakfast. Buffet breakfast. Continental breakfast. Choice of fresh fruit juice. Choice of assorted breads. Toast, croissants, rolls, brioche, muffins, etc. Served with preserves, jam, marmalade, honey. Beverages. Tea, coffee, chocolate. English or full breakfast. Choice of fresh fruit juice, orange, pineapple, tomato. Or cut fruits, grapefruit, melon, papaya, pears, bananas. Or stewed fruits, plums, apples, figs, prunes. Choice of cereals. Muesli, porridge, rice flakes, wheat flakes, etc. Served with hot, cold milk. Fish. Boiled, grilled, poached, steamed, sole, herring, haddock. Eggs. Fried, boiled, poached, plain or savory omelette. Meat. Bacon, sausages, salami, etc., fried or grilled. Choice of assorted breads, toasts, brioches, croissant, rolls, brown bread. Served with butter and preserves, honey, jam, marmalade. Beverages. Tea, coffee, hot chocolate, milk, Horlicks, etc. American breakfast. Choice of fresh fruit juice. Or cut fruits. Or stewed fruits. Choice of cereals. Rice flakes, wheat flakes, etc. Served with hot, cold milk. Eggs. Fried, boiled, poached, omelette. Meat. Bacon, sausages, salami, etc. Choice of assorted breads. Served with butter and preserves. Beverages. tea, coffee, hot chocolate, Horlicks, etc. Buffet breakfast. Breakfast setup on buffet includes poached, scrambled and fried eggs, generally 0 and sight, grilled bacon, sausages, tomatoes, hash brown, baked beans, cereals, muesli, fruits, yogurt, fresh juices, toast, bread selection, cheese selection, butter, preserves, tea, and coffee. Coffee shop service. Majority hotels offer coffee shop service for their guests. Coffee shop provides faster service and generally offer less expensive and easier to produce menu items than other restaurants in the hotel. Coffee shops are designed to reflect the ambience of the hotel and are located in main concourses, atriums and lobbies. They are generally open on a 24 basis or offer an all-day dining menu. Breakfast is the busiest period. Service of sequence for dinner. Hostess welcomes the guest according to SOP standard. Check for guest reservation or room no. Hostess escorts the guest to the table. Unfold napkins and explain restaurant concept, gives the food and beverage menu. Hostess introduces the waiter by his name. Waiter come with face towel. Station holder or hostess asks for water, explain sparkling and still water. Waiter serves the water. Takes the beverage, wine order. Bread, condiments and crudities are served on the table, explain. Take food order according to SOP. Serves the beverages. Place the orders in POS. Course by course. Serve the amuse-bouche or horse overs. Place the cutlery according the food order. Pick up the appetizers. Announce and serve the appetizer and explain it to guest. Check guest satisfaction. Remove the appetizer plates. Check water and other beverage to refill. Announce main course pickup. Serve main course, and serve applicable sauce. Check back the guest satisfaction. Check water or wine refill. When everybody has finished, clear the table. Remove all extra table appointments including salt and pepper mill. Scrub down the table with clean cloth and B&B plate. Place toothpicks on the table. Place the dessert menus, explain it, and give some time to the guest. Take the dessert and tea and coffee order. Place order in POS. And follow up the order. Place dessert cutlery and mise en place for tea and coffee service. Serve dessert and explain to guest what you serve. Clear the dessert plates. Offer more tea and coffee. Verify and double-check the guest bill. When guest leaves, help him to get up from the chair, assist with his or her jacket or luggage and escort him, her out of the station. Hostess, manager bids farewell. Room service. It's a food and beverage outlet running round the clock and ideally situated close to the service elevators, main kitchen, pantry and dispense bar. Here will be a soundproof order taker's cabin. The key element for a well-run operations would be prompt and courteous order taking, close attention to the details of the guest's order, the efficient and quick delivery and service courtesy, temperatures of dishes being maintained and the prompt clearance once guests have finished their meals. Sequence of service in room service. Briefing by the shift supervisor. Mise en place. Efficient order taking. Fill in cot and hand it over to the supervisor and kitchen. Enter in POS. Tray/trolley setup, collect food and beverage. Present trolley to supervisor, collect the check, order form is filled up. Room service attendant delivers the order. Asks the guest where they would like to be served. Guest signature and thank the guest. Clearance. Butler service. A butler is a person who provides courteous and personalized service to each resident guest by facilitating requests promptly and ensuring follow-up and feedback as necessary in accordance to the standards of the hotel. Butlers are solution-oriented persons who fill the guest needs at any given time. Butlers should have a complete knowledge about the restaurant and room service menus. Services to be carried out by butlers: assisting the guest with all his needs, reservation, confirmation of guest tickets, informing the engineering department for maintenance jobs to be carried out, handling guest luggage during check-in/out, assist the guest to prepare a travel itinerary, deliver mails and messages to the guest, coordinate in case of emergencies. Cafeteria food service. Cafeterias provide fast, low-check, average service. They allow food service in facilities that cannot hire a large number of service employees and lend themselves to increased lunch business from non-hotel guests working or visiting near the hotel. From the guest's perspective, the key element are the constant availability of clean trays, an orderly and effective traffic flow and speed, well-trained counter attendants and cashiers, appealing food presentation, sufficient choices and efficient and quiet busing. Cafeteria layouts. Traditional cafeteria lines: straight lines, L-shaped, U-shaped, double line, double straight line. Carousel cafeterias features a rotating counter similar to a very large lazy Suzanne. Guest may stand in one place while the food moves in front of them and make their selection as the food items pass by. Scramble system. It offers guests the opportunity to move between a number of serving stations which offer the products that they may desire and pay. Lastly, thank you for watching. And please comment if you want to add anything or you want a video on any topic.